Keywords. Talk about keywords today. Talk about keywords a lot. First time talking about keywords. What are keywords? Well, Google, when they go through the mighty web and they index it, and you search and you put things like birthday cake, they go through and they look for all the websites and information and blogs and everything else that have birthday cake in it. And then they rank which ones have the most prominent and the most, important and the most sites that have birthday cake that will give you the most information that Google feels that has the most, stuff in it that's going to give you the most birthday cake. Now, the kicker of this is that with Google AdWords, you could buy birthday cake as search. So more than likely, when you search birthday cake, the first 4 or 5 entries are going to be paid. They're going to be paid advertising for birthday cake. So it'll be a while after that. But after that will be indexed with birthday cake. So that will be a keyword. So what you want to do is that if you sell birthday cakes, you want to be able to have birthday cake keywords on your website that Google feels are important, that you are giving content to, and then they will index your site and have birthday cake. So when somebody searches birthday cake, then you will appear. Same thing with personal injury lawyers who deal with car accidents. So if somebody puts down personal injury lawyer car accidents near me, then your site will appear. Now again, like birthday cake, more than likely what's going to happen is that it's going to be a paid ad in the first 4 or 5 slots involved with that, and then you'd be fighting for the slots after that. But still is very important, because what happens is that the more Google recognizes your content as important, the more it would rank it through the web as something to be seen, and then when people start searching for things, they will be directed to it. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is SEO. Search engine optimization. So keywords plays a very important part of that, because you want to optimize certain keywords in order to make sure you're being seen on the web. So your website probably be broken down to certain parts. So may probably be WordPress website, and it will have a front page, and it will have a contact page. It will have an about page, and it will have a blog page. And then the blog page will be articles on it about certain subjects, about personal injury lawyers and car accidents, and things like what to do if you're in a car accident and you need to get workman's compensation, or what to do if you're in a car accident and you need to get medical help, or what to do if you're in a car accident and you need to get your car fixed, things like that. So there's certain programs that you could use that will help you identify certain keywords that you need to put into those articles that Google, and the format that Google likes, that Google will digest and then index your blog post correctly, and then it will be seen by more people when they Google it. You also use different keywords, like if you use personal injury lawyer, that is a great keyword, but the problem is that keyword is probably worth around $200, $250 a click, not a lead. So more than likely, you're not a law firm that can afford to have that kind of budget. That's a big budget. So what we do is that we try to find other keywords that may drive good traffic, but may not cost as much. So some of the ones I use is like auto accident lawyer. Not so bad. lawyer marketing service, car accident lawyer marketing, things like that. That's what I use in order to kind of prospect myself to clients. So you can see that there's certain tools like Google AdWords, which Google AdWords is something that's part of the Google system that has a family of tools in it that you could use that will help you find stuff. Now, there's some great paid tools you could use, but initially you could just use the free Google tools that you could find and go that way and make some keywords and play around with it. So that is an important part, and the first step of keywords. We'll be talking a lot more about keywords. One of the great, wonderful things about SEO and the great state of Google. John Flynn, thanks.